It's a perfect situation.
This is Liz. Welcome to my little urban homestead. Day 2. Wednesday the 25th of March, something like that. Next day, and I had what was left over from that pork shoulder, slow cooking all day. This is the batten that I will be throwing. I could possibly do something with it, but I've got too much to do without poking around with that. The meat I got off with, there's a lot, so that's going to go in some soup, I think. There's pork scratchings there, and there'll be treats for Mason and for Lurch to munch on at times. And I've got the rest of the bones in my stock pot. I'm going to fill up with water and make some stock out of it. That noise is me dishwasher going because I'm going to need a lot of cans today. These are sausages. I haven't got any casings, so I'll use my burger patty maker. Well, yeah, my circular burger maker. But there's equivalent of a couple of sausages, 2-3 sausages in one burger, so we'll have them. So that's for the freezer. Cannor is going with 16 jars of pork stew in it. Smaller stock pot, well, second largest, full of the bones of the shoulder that I cooked up yesterday, so now I'm making stock from it. And I also added the water that I used to steam carrots, which are carrots now on the dehydrator, together with a tray of potatoes, because I got them. So the water I used to steam them, I added to the bones from the pork shoulder that I cooked up yesterday, so that's going to be going. The reason it isn't in my large stock pot, because I got that sorted out this morning before I'd actually put the Cannor in, so I've got my large stock pot using, well, holding the stock that I made yesterday from the bones. And if anyone's wondering, this is to go with our tea tonight. These are herbs, potato wedges, a bit like chips. Different herbs on them. I've also added turmeric because, as I understand, it's an anti-inflammatory, so it will help me. It certainly won't hurt me anyway. For my joints, hopefully it will help me. So that's the next day. Thank you. Bye.
It's a perfect situation.